Welcome to the grand spectacle of faith, tradition and spirituality, Mahakumbh Mela 2025. From January 13 to February 26, millions of devotees will gather in Prayagraj for the world's largest peaceful congregation. Let's explore its history, rituals and significance. The word Kumbh originates from Kumbhak, meaning the sacred pot of immortality. This festival has its root in Hindu mythology, where gods and demons fought for the nectar of immortality. The legend says that drops of this nectar fell at four places: Haridwar, Ujjain, Nasik and Prayagraj. Since then, the Kumbh Mela is celebrated at these locations in rotation. Did you know? The Kumbh Mela is held every 12 years at these four places. The Ardh Kumbh takes place every 6 years in Haridwar and Prayagraj, while the Mahakumbh happens once every 144 years in Prayagraj. One of the main highlights of the Kumbh Mela is the holy dip in the Triveni Sangam, the confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna and the mythical Saraswati. It is believed that bathing here washes away sins and leads to spiritual liberation. But that's not all. The festival is also a vibrant cultural celebration with devotional singing, storytelling and classical dance forms like Kathak, Bharatnatyam and Kuchipudi. You will also witness the grand Shahi Snan or royal bath led by Akharas, ancient monastic orders founded by Adi Shankaracharya to preserve the Sanatana Dharma. These Akharas are divided into Shaiv, Vaishnav and Udasin sects, each following distinct traditions. The Peshwai procession is another breathtaking event where saints, Naga sadhus and devotees march in royal grandeur. It's a sight to behold. The cultural and spiritual significance of Kumbh Mela has earned it a place in UNESCO's Intangible Cultural Heritage list. It showcases India's unity in diversity and attracts scholars, photographers and spiritual seekers from around the world. The 2025 Mahakumbh Mela is set to break records with advanced crowd management, sanitation and sustainable initiatives. In 2019, it achieved 3 Guinness World Records for traffic management, cleanliness and large-scale art initiatives. So, whether you seek spirituality, history or cultural experiences, the Mahakumbh Mela 2025 is a journey of a lifetime. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing insight into Indian traditions.